Yeah, so hello guys, Bosch Serie 2014 here, and as you can see, the Hotpoint WF250 is just gone. So delivery people came and picked it up, off to go to off to washer heaven, as I call it. And I do have a replacement machine, and it's a brand new one, which is here, and we are going to unbox it. So I'm going to be unboxing it. And yes, stuff like that. You know, the machine I got is a Bosch, another Bosch, to go with the hydro sensor, which I will move out in a bit and plumb this in. So it's a Bosch Serie 2 WAN28081GB. So yeah, basically me and Mum agreed to get this because I recommended her Bosch, because Bosch, in my opinion, are one of the best modern machines on today's market. I'm hoping this will be well worth the wait. You can just about see the panel there. It's a 7 kilogram, and without further ado, let's get unboxing. So yeah, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just take all the plastic off here, then take all this cardboard off. Yeah, this will probably take a while, but we'll get through it. So yeah, off goes the cardboard. Move a bit more polystyrene as well. So yeah, this is a start, and now you've got the. So yeah, this is a Bosch Serie 4. It's the 10-pond dial model, which is, I know it's not the most advanced, but it's basic enough for my mum because she wanted a nice and basic machine. Nice basic, but not too overly basic, and with a variety of options. There's the drawer here. So yeah, I'm going to finish getting the wrappers off, and I'll be back when I've finished. So yeah, so we've now taken off most of the plastic and the polystyrene, and we're going to take this off, which is a bit of like protective bit. Here's the detergent drawer. Nice and basic, your main wash, fabric softener, fabric softener in here, and pre-wash. I'll take the drawer out. Well, I'll take it out soon. And so yeah, now we're going to remove this blue thing. Yeah, there's a heat shield here, which most modern machines have another shield behind the glass, so that's normal. I'm just going to remove this. I'm going to open the door, and as you can see, this machine has so here's the instruction manual for this Bosch washing machine, and here is a hose for it as well to plumb it in. Yeah, and this is the serial number on this, another thing. Now, and this machine does have its transit bolts in, hence why you cannot move the drum. And the most basic thing you should do before plumbing a washing machine is please remove the transit bolts. Otherwise, your machine is going to go mental during the spin. It's going to, yeah, it will go mental. So as I turn the drum, it does have like magnets that kind of stop the drum. It's a bit of a modern safety feature. Yeah, it's pretty tough, and I know the seal's a bit mangled, but it's normal on Bosch's, and plus once I've got the things off of there, then oh, there's a nice Calgon stick in there. But once I've got it level, I can take the transit bolts out and then I can plumb it in. But yeah, looking pretty nice overall. Pretty nice cosmetically. Yeah, so now I've pretty much taken off all that I have to. So just, yeah, and over here at the back, like these are the transit bolts that you must remove before you plumb the machine in, before you put the machine on. Obviously here is the pump, the drain pump where the water drains. And over here is the plug. So yeah, which plug is here, so it should be. So yes, I shall remove the transit bolts and I'll get back to you. Yeah, so while I'm at it, I will do a quick test to see if everything's working on it. So turn the machine on, and obviously here we go. Also, this is going through all the cycles. So yeah, you can have option, I think speed perfect, I think that's the only option you have. Just going through all the cycles, so you've got Cottons 20, 40, Eco 40 and 60, Pre-wash 40, Intensive 40, 60 and 90. You've got spin and drain, you've got rinse and you've got the rinse cycle, Easy Care 30, 40, wool 30, delicate silk 30, mixed load 40, and super quick 15/30, and that's it. Quite a basic machine, but really high quality at the same time as well. Yeah, and I like that they've done like a classic drum. So yeah, I like it. Went for the classic drum, which is personally what I prefer. So anyway, I will take out the transit bolts and I will be back to you. Yeah, so now we've removed the transit bolts from the machine. The drum is now doing this, which indicates that the transit bolts have been removed and the drum can move around freely, and your machine will not be going absolutely crazy. So yeah, all the transit bolts have been removed. These are just like covers that we put on. And yes, I'm going to plumb this machine in, and once I've done that, I'll be back. Yeah, so everything is now complete. I've plumbed everything in. I've the new Bosch and the old Bosch as well. A nice bit of vintage modern. And yeah, I will shortly be putting this new Bosch on a maintenance wash at Cottons 90. So yes, I'll be back in a bit. So yep, so everything is in, and I am now going to do a maintenance wash at 90 degrees to start the machine. So let's do it. I think it's just sensing at the moment. And we are now filling. I like how it feels through there as well. I like that. Yeah, now it's into the main compartment. Yeah, I think it'll do. So yeah, anyway, I'm really happy with this machine. I cannot wait to do further loads in it. Really cannot wait to do further loads in it. It's really nice to have one of these, you know, because I know a lot of people in the Bosch community recommend these Bosches, and hopefully I will enjoy them, and I promise I will bring you many videos of this machine with the cycles. And yeah, anyway, I shall see you guys soon, and take care. I'm just going to let it fill for a little bit. Right, I shall see you guys in the next video. Take care and goodbye.